Right, so in this question we need to work out the area of a curve where part of the curve is above the x-axis and part of the curve is below the x-axis. So you want to work out the total area between the curve and the x-axis between x equals 0 and x equals to 2. You can see from the diagram that when x equals 1, the graph cuts through the x-axis. So from being above the x-axis, it becomes below the x-axis. Now, so from PM1, you should know that the area above the x-axis is considered to be a positive area, and the area below the x-axis is considered negative. And if you're working out the total area between the curve and the x-axis, we obviously have to make all areas positive and then add them up to work out the total area. So in order to work out the area of both regions, we can work out the area of region 1 by integrating x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x between 0 and 1. We can integrate region 2 by performing the integration from 0 to, from performing integration from 1 to 2 of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x dx. So here, when we integrate this, putting the bounds in from 1 and 0, you will get positive a quarter. When you do the same function integrate between 1 and 2, you will get a negative quarter when you perform the integration. The negative obviously because it's below the x-axis. Therefore, the total area will be region 1 plus the area of region 2. So this will be a quarter plus a quarter. So ignore the negative. These are 2 quarters, so the total area in the region here is equal to a half. Now, if you were to integrate directly from 0 to 2, the answer would be equal to 0. And obviously, we know that the area is not 0 because we can see you can see here that there's area above the x-axis and area below the x-axis. Because region 1 and region 2 happen to be identical, but one positive and one negative, obviously if you do it directly from 0 to 2, they cancel each other out, so you get 0 as an answer. That's the reason why we have to do them separately. So if we work at region 1 from 0 to 1, and then do 1 to 2, and then when you get a negative area, just turn it positive and add them all up, and you have your total area between the curve and the x-axis.